Hello guys. Hello guys, katatapos ko lang mag-inom ng So init guys, na mawis-pawis pa tayo. So how are you guys? How's your update there? So ayun guys. Here I am. Ayun. Ito yung natin. So yun. How are you guys? Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Basta ang update nyo dyan guys. Ito tayo guys. Medyo tayo. Tapos nakainom ng init. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Keep safe everywhere. Thank you for watching guys. Have a blessed day.